What's an altcoin that might move up 100% in the relief rally? Well, the first one that I'm looking at is Solana. And the reason being is that currently Solana has been depressed quite a lot from its all-time highs back last November. Now, we have retested this trend line that you can kind of see coming across the top back here in early April. And if we retest this trend line once again with a Solana breakout from this trend line that it's currently in, we could see around an $80 Solana. Now, it's a big move, but keeping in mind, if Bitcoin moves about 35% to the high 20s, we will see some altcoins move much higher than that. They'll actually move close to 100%. So there's a lot of resistance right around this $80 to $85 level for Solana. A move even up to just about $80 would be well in excess of 100%. And that's one of the reasons why Solana is one of my top 3 picks right now for a potential major move back up with the alts in a Bitcoin relief rally. The next altcoin I'm targeting is Ethereum for a potential 100% plus move if Bitcoin really gets rallying up. If we go back on the charts to Ethereum's all-time highs, we can see that there's a trend line coming in across here that moves down to about $2,500 in late July, early August. So that's where we would see potential resistance if we get a major move back up in Bitcoin. Bitcoin moving up maybe about 35%. It could easily see some of these alts rally 100%. It's kind of seems kind of far-fetched. We've been beaten down for so long, but Ethereum has a lot of positive news in it out there about the merge. It's got a strong community. It's just got a lot of positive things going for it, and it is trending very, very solid against Bitcoin. I'll show you that as well too. Here is Ethereum's chart versus Bitcoin, and you can see we have a major trend line coming in, support right now that we're at for Ethereum versus Bitcoin. So I'm even more bullish on Ethereum versus Bitcoin because we are at that trend line. And I do believe that if the alts start to rally, Ethereum could be one that leads the way. It's got tons of positive news. There's lots of speculation about the excitement around the merge that's going to be happening at some point. And just Ethereum all around has a lot of support, not only amongst retail investors, but also amongst the big financial organizations that are out there as well too. So we're right now at a major support trend line. We could see a bounce off of this and retest of the highest levels for Ethereum versus Bitcoin. And that's definitely one of the reasons why I'm also bullish on Ethereum with a potential move up of 100% for a relief rally here. The last altcoin I'm very excited to share with you is my top pick of the 3 that I've shown you so far, and this is AVAX. And if you look at the top left-hand corner of your screen, that's the all-time highs of AVAX. And there's a trend line that comes in around $66 sometime in August. And if we were to rally for a few weeks and we were to see Bitcoin regain those levels of the high 20s, this is where we could see AVAX really run up. There's not that much resistance above the current prices at about $20. Once we get going on AVAX, we could see some major gains in that project. I mean, it's got a great community. It's been hit enormously hard, fell over 90% during the crash so far, and basically it just crashed completely out of the blue from that 60-something dollar range. So there's not a lot of resistance on the way back up, and we could see people FOMO back into it incredibly. So those are my top 3 altcoins to watch if we do have a Bitcoin relief rally. Comment below some of yours, and I look forward to speaking with you guys. And please give a like and a comment and a share to this video and subscribe to my channel. You guys take care, and I'll talk to you soon.